So this is our first time going glamping in the forest. I think we're going there a little bit late, but it's fine. The weather is nice and cold today. And then we're going there. It's called Mountain Lagoon. See there. So we're driving down to the glamping spot. And as we come through the gate, there was like a sign that says glamping. So we're just driving through this track. Looks like it's enough space to fit the car, and then yeah, there we go. Just a bit of a challenge here actually. Yeah. It's like we're going down to a forest area. It seems to be an interesting spot. Looking at down there, it's like a bunch of trees. And I think, oh, I can see the glamping spot now. And I think there's also a camping area around here. So this is quite cool. So you've got your hill and the trees. As you can see, it's quite interesting. I'm not sure where we park. I mean, so I just park next to it.
And then it's back here.
And then you got your fireplace and a table. And it's got a bit of a Buddha next to it.
To flush down.
Yeah, it's a drop toilet, is it?
Hold it at the down.
I was looking at the shower before. I'm gonna think you can actually take a shower, but you might need more water. Have to request for more water.
This one, they flip. Oh, the black one. That one, right?
Yeah, see that one up there.
Oh shit.
Your shower head.
Maybe you just like wash your face and that.
So we're just setting up our table, and at that time I think it's raining a little bit, and then so we just had to set up because I think at that time we're sort of a bit hungry. And here we just resting after, just wanting to enjoy the moment.
So cool. The bed.
No, tomorrow morning we can drive a little bit. We can drive to the.
Yes, we wanted to go drive nearby.
Laughter and tears are both responses to frustration and exhaustion. Close friends contribute to our personal growth. They also contribute to our personal pleasure.
It was a really nice setup that we found online. So this place, it's a glamping area, which is a private property. But they had kind of everything, table and a fire pit. But at that time, there's a bit of a fire ban. And so luckily we had the stove with us, and then we just set up everything with our butane gas and a bit of tools that we always have whenever we go camping. And Peng really likes cutting those veggies. She likes to cut some veggies. It's a very peaceful, quiet area, and I just stand there and watch the environment, watch the surroundings while Peng was preparing the lunch. There's light inside the glamping, so even though they have it, we just have our own light, so that it makes it more brighter. But inside is really comfy, really comfortable, and they have everything inside. They even have books, cabinets, and a bean bag to sit on, and a really wide space. So check this out. They have a table and even the drawers, and the bed is actually quite nice. light is just something that we gonna go out there. Whenever we go camping, we always grab ourselves some Wagyu beef from the Emporium, and it's just the best way to have barbecue with some veggies and some drinks to go. While we sat there, we're just enjoying our food and enjoying the nature and just cracking that beer, and just tastes so good, especially it's really cold. And as you stir the barbecue, you can just hear the sizzling. It's just so amazing just having a barbecue just like on top of the mountain and everything, and just such a great environment. Pink really likes eating her zucchini. Whenever we go camping, she always likes to get her veggies. One of them is okra, which is a lady finger, and zucchini. She's always getting that type of veggies whenever we go camping. And for me, I'm happy with meat and a little bit of veggies, probably lettuce and a little bit of everything basically. And yeah, I really like to enjoy my beer, especially Asahi or any kind of beer that's just nice and cold. And as we sat there enjoying our food, you can literally hear the birds chirping away in our surroundings. It's just a really peaceful area. And they have the toilet nearby, which is a little bit I think they have a bit of a shower up there, but it's more of like a portable shower. And then just near the property, there is like an area where you can go for a walk and check out the camping spot near our glamping area. So there's a little bit of a hike where you can see ducks floating away on that little. So another toilet spot. Yeah. So just where the other camping area is, so there's also another toilet and portable water that you can grab some water out of it. And this is the hiking trail that we decided to take, which is just like walking down from the private property. So the private property is just like a walk around the road, and then you sort of turn left. It's just a really peaceful area, looking out the trees, just beautiful. I mean, there's lots of logs that you can grab for firewood or some campfire, but at that time there's a little bit of a fire ban, so we didn't get any. And from there you can see the glamping spot. Looking at these trees, really interesting. I think it was burnt a while ago, and then you can see just lush of trees growing back, and we're just walking on this little tiny trail. And just some amazing flowers and amazing track that you could always go for a hike. And it's starting to get dark just right after dinner. It's just really quiet and peaceful. It's just, you can just sort of soak it in, and you can even hear your heartbeat. Just so peaceful and quiet there, and there's lights everywhere. There's like solar lights surrounding the glamping area, and it's just really amazing to see it lights up at night, and you can see them just like yes, and there's just like little things, little details that you can see that they really take care of the area. And I think at that night I was a bit hungry, so I had to crack some noodles and heat it up. And yeah, I think at night when you're camping, it's like you want to eat something because you've been moving around a lot, and it's just the best way to eat, like having some ramen noodles and just heat it up in that little tiny cold glamping area and just like eat it, and just amazing to have noodles. Good morning. So this is the morning, so it's just beautiful. Peng just lying there and just woke up and just probably had a really great sleep, and yeah, she seems to be enjoying that spot.
Is it cold outside?
I don't know.
Yeah. Filipino dessert.
I think she had some Filipino dessert at that night, so she mentioned that. Here, waking up, brushing our teeth, just walking around, just enjoying the morning, beautiful morning, the sunrise, and that shine bright, which is just amazing to experience in a different spot. I mean, we've experienced so many other camping spot, and this is one of the best ones that we've checked out. It's time to cook some eggs. Now I'm just boiling some eggs right now, and yeah, just for breakfast. And I think I bought a few, which I like to have in the morning just to give you that nice energy for the day. And a bit of fruit, especially mango. It's just amazing to have it with eggs and whatever we're having. And I think it's sort of a mango season, so that's why the mango just looks delicious. And having fruits in the morning is just the best way to get that nutrients for the body, and just heating up some water and just enjoying that mango and just watching the view. Here, Peng, we actually didn't do this type of cooking where you cook banana in the Philippines, but I think in Myanmar they do the type of cooking. So they barbecue the this type of banana, Cavendish banana, on the barbecue, which is actually really nice. When you eat it, it's sort of like creamy and hot and just tastes really good. At that time, we just have a little bit of snacks from the Filipino shop. So you just sort of flip that banana so that you can get that nice sides, nice and hot. Here is the banana where Peng is eating it, and it's actually really tasty. It's a sort of a different type of way to enjoy a dessert, banana dessert, where you sort of make the skin looks like a charcoal, like a little bit burned, so that the inside sort of nice and hot. And yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but if you try this type of cooking, it's actually really nice. So she's saying about the tray that I got from Bunnings, which is actually just okay for barbecue. I could probably get a better one from online for a better barbecue. We only decided to stay for one night here, so we're just having breakfast, and we had so much great fun, just great night, and staying at this glamping spot. This is actually our first time glamping, so we're just enjoying breakfast and having some food just right before we go back. And I think we're about to go to a different area here. This is more like a forest area that is near our